Jump.
She jumps high on the trampoline.
Jump.
She jumps high on the trampoline.
Eat.
I eat breakfast at 7 a.m.
Eat.
I eat breakfast at 7 a.m.
Drink.
She drinks water after running.
Drink.
She drinks water after running.
Read.
They read books in the library.
Read.
They read books in the library.
Write.
I write letter to my friend.
Write.
I write letter to my friend.
Play.
The children play in the park.
Play.
The children play in the park.
Listen.
We listen to music in the car.
Listen.
We listen to music in the car.
Run.
He runs fast in the race.
Run.
He runs fast in the race.
Go.
I go to school every day.
Go.
I go to school every day.
Walk.
I walk to the store every day.
Walk.
I walk to the store every day.
See.
I see a bird on the tree.
See.
I see a bird on the tree.
Like.
I like chocolate ice cream.
Like.
I like chocolate ice cream.